Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your new trainer, Ikra. So here today I'm going to explain you the structure of future simple tense. What is future simple and how many helping verbs are there? Here we have will and shall, but shall we have it has been eliminated. No, we use will with all the subjects over here, like subject, will, first form of the verb, and then not. Like they will do their homework. Then while making negative, what we need to do is we just need to use not after when. They will not do their homework. While making interrogative sentence, we will be using helping verb in the starting of the sentence, then subject, then first form of the verb, and then object, right? Like, will they do their homework? So this is the structure of this tense. Like what is over here, we just use will and first form of the verb with all the subjects, whether it is I, you, we, they, or he, she, it, they. Whatever the subject is, you just need to use will with all the subjects, and we have to use first form of the verb. So now look at these examples of affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Like she will break her twice. One negative, we just use not. She will not break her twice. Will she break her twice? We will buy twice for you. We will not buy twice for you. Will we buy twice for you? I will fight him. I will not fight him. Will I fight him? They will catch butterflies. They will not catch butterflies. Will they catch butterflies? He will read books. He will not read books. Will he read books? You will write so many books. You will not write so many books. Will you write so many books? What is the contraction of affirmative and negative sentences? We use she'll. Uh, in replace of she will, we use she'll break her twice. We'll buy it twice for you. I'll fight him. They'll catch butterflies. He'll read books. You'll write so many books. While making negative, what is the contraction of negative forms? She won't break her twice. We won't buy twice for you. I won't fight him. They won't catch butterflies. He won't read books. You won't write so many books. So here are some sentences of future simple tense. Here are the WH questions of future simple. Where will I play football tomorrow? When will you speak English? Which car will you purchase? Why will she make coffee? When will John go to school? When will birds fly in the sky? How will they write story? When will he come to our home? Where will he work on completing the education? So you can see over here that we use WH question in the starting of the sentence, and then we use will, then we use subject, then first